Iran war is now sending shockwaves across global energy markets, and India is feeling the heat. But here's the big question. How much oil does India really have if supplies are hit? And more importantly, can India keep running if global crude flows are disrupted? Let's break it down. The government presented some data in Rajya Sabha on March 23. It says India has about 3.3 million tons of crude oil stored in its strategic petroleum reserves. That's roughly 25 million barrels. But here's the catch. This is only about 64% of total storage capacity, not the full reserve. Media reports indicate that our strategic petroleum reserves alone can meet our needs for just around 9 to 10 days if imports suddenly stop. But India does not rely on these emergency reserves. When you add oil held by refineries and companies, India has an estimated total backup of about 70 to 74 days of demand. Still, for a country that imports nearly 90% of its crude oil, that cushion appears very limited, especially during a global crisis. So where exactly is this oil stored? Not in visible tanks, but deep underground. India stores its crude in massive rock caverns designed to withstand war, disasters, and supply shocks. These are strategic, secure, and built to be tapped during emergencies. India currently has three major strategic storage sites: Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh and Mangaluru and Padur in Karnataka. Together, these facilities can store up to 5.33 million tons of crude oil, and more capacity is coming up. There's a new reserve coming in Odisha and an expanded one in Karnataka. Addressing the Rajya Sabha on March 24, Modi spoke about India's preparedness. He said India has built over 5.3 million tons of strategic reserves so far and is working on adding even more capacity. He also stressed that India is now importing oil from 41 countries against just 27 earlier. Clearly, this is meant to reduce dependence on any single region. Iran is at war, though paused now. The Strait of Hormuz could get blocked again any minute. India, looking outside of the Gulf for crude, could prove critical.
और 65 लाख मैट्रिक टन से अधिक के रिजर्व की व्यवस्था पर देश काम कर रहा है। साथ ही बीते दशक में भारत की रिफाइनिंग कैपेसिटी भी अच्छी खासी बढ़ाई गई है। मैं आपके माध्यम से सदन को और देश को ये आश्वासन देना चाहता हूं कि भारत के पास क्रूड ऑयल के पर्याप्त स्टोरेज के और निरंतर सप्लाई की व्यवस्थाएं हैं।
So how much oil does India really have? We don't have a straight or single answer. But from what we gather from reports, we have enough to manage a short-term shock. But a prolonged global crisis, this could prove challenging. And what should India do? Source carefully, store more, diversify more, and depend less on specific sources. Because in today's world, energy security is not just about supply, it's about survival.